want to take notes during the course to make sure the information stays fresh in your mind. Always remember cryptocurrency is an investment.
Simple steps to mining. Step 1. Get yourself a Bitcoin wallet. Step 2. Prepare and calculate your mining rig. Step 3. Connect your mining rig to a client such as CG Miner. You can download CG Miner here for free at github.com/CKOLIVAS/CG Miner. Or do a search on Google for other miners. Step 4. Configure your mining rig. Note, you can choose to mine Bitcoins or cryptocurrencies. For Bitcoin mining, it is recommended to join Bitcoin mining pools to maximize your mining efforts. For cryptocurrencies, you can connect your miner to services such as middlecoin.com for automated mining and payments in Bitcoin. Another good place to connect your miner to is hashco.ws. Final step, start mining.
Oh,